will tell the truth. Or else, we'll be forced to cite you in contempt.
And if we found out that you have the connection with the owners of the Lucky South 99, then we will do what we have to do.
Since you are cited in contempt in this committee, you have all the rights.
Your Honor, baka pwede pong humingi ng consideration. Kasi lahat naman po ng sinabi ko is totoo po.
Session resume. Are you,
Mr. Chair,
before you, before the chair recognize you, I'll be asking one question. I'll be reserving my question in the Quadcom. So, before you move, for the whatever motion you have in your mind, can we just allow the co-chair to ask some question as well?
Go ahead,
Sige,
go ahead.
Go ahead, Chair.
Thank you, Co-Chair, for Ms. Ronely Baterna. Earlier, sinabi mo na hindi ka gumagawa ng mga resolutions, lahat napipirmahan sa'yo.
Yes po.
Then tinanong din yung paano yung articles of incorporation, being the corporate secretary, sabi mo, ang nagpe-prepare, sino?
Ano po yun?
Sino nagpe-prepare ng mga papel na pinapipirmahan sa'yo?
Si Attorney Medina po.
Attorney Medina. Tapos sabi mo kanina rin, narinig namin na tinatawagan ka sa opisina. Tapos para may papipirmahan sa'yo.
Opo, parang pag ready na po yung mga papers, parang ibibigay na lang po sa akin para po permahan.
Anong pangalan ng opisina?
Yung attorney lang po yung alam ko po.
Yan ba yung kasama mo dyan? Yung abogado mo kanina? From the same law office?
Iba po sila, Your Honor. Hindi po
Iba na ngayon.
Opo.
Sino nag-provide ulit sa kanila?
Po?
Sino nag-provide sa iyo na magdala ng abogado dito?
Ako po mismong nag-contact po sa kanila, Your Honor.
Ikaw na ngayon ang nag-contract sa kanila.
Opo.
Kanina, iba ang sabi mo.
Ay, sinabi ko po kanina ako po.
Yun naman sila ng Lucky South para samahan ka. Oh, sabi ng lawyer tawagin mo yung lawyer mo. Ginawa ko lahat kayo, puro sinungaling ang resource speaker namin. Tinanong ko sino nag-engage na services nila Please identify yourself again, attorney.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Attorney Giselle S. Velasco from NFC Miralles Law Office. NFC Miralles, Your Honor.
Yes. So why are you here?
Your Honor, I was asked by our law office to assist Ms. Baterna
And
to this hearing.
to assist Ms. Baterna.
Yes,
Who in your office told you to assist Ms. Baterna?
our managing partner, Your Honor.
And who's your managing partner?
Attorney Nadine Faye Miralles, Your Honor.
Nadine C. Morales.
Yes, Your Honor.
I've heard also that again, in law office nyo, ang pang N?
NFC Miralles Law Office, Your Honor.
Is it true? Yung law firm nyo rin na nagpa-quash nung search warrant na in-issue for
Yes, Your Honor, we are the current counsel for LS99 at the proceedings, Your Honor, at San Fernando, Pampanga.
Nung nag-apply ng search warrant, pinakwash yung warrant.
Let me clarify, Your Honor. Their law firm has submitted to the Honorable Court a motion to quash the search warrant that has been issued to us and that we have implemented. So that's still pending, Your Honor. the search warrant against Poga et al. Poga et al, the known boss of Lucky South 99. He is a Chinese national, Your Honors.
So, Poga et al. Is also your client.
As far as I know, Your Honor, as confirmed by our managing partner, Your Honor, it was Miss Baterna who, kung sino, si Miss Baterna po ang nag-communicate sa office namin as the CorpSec of Lucky South 99, and siya din po yung nag-engage sa amin for our services. As representative po of Lucky.
So, sino magbabayad sa inyo?
That, Your Honor, I am not privy to that engagement, Your Honor. Since that is Your Honor's.
So si
Mr. Chair, may I interject?
Wait,
Just
wait.
one question in relation
Ronaldin,
to what you said.
wait, Congressman, Ronaldin Baterna, you coordinated with them, ikaw nakipag-usap para to get their services. Yun ang sinabi ng abogado. So meaning you have all this authority, di ba? All the authority emanates from you dahil nga siya nagtatanggol, ang NFC ang nagtatanggol sa Lucky South 99. And you coordinated with them. Diba? Kanina, binanggit mo, wala kang alam lahat. Hindi ikaw nakikipag-coordinate, hindi ka kumakausap sa abogado, but now they're telling us na ikaw ang nag-coordinate. So, dito, kikita na natin yung pagsisinungaling mo.
Mr. Chair.
Diba? So, ngayon, sino? Sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate sa NFC?
Totoo po yung mga sinasabi ko, Your Honor, yung wala po talaga akong alam about dun sa mga pinipirmahan ko. Pero yung sa kanila po, ako po talaga yung
Pero kanina sinabi mo hindi ikaw eh, di ba?
Mr. Chair. Walang.
Yes, but wait. Let the chair finish first. So hindi mo sinabi kanina na ikaw nag-coordinate. But now sinasabi nila na ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. Di ba? So, now you will agree with me that ikaw talaga nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. And I'm asking you right now, kung ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila, sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate ka sa abogado na ginagamit ng Lucky South? Sino?
Ako po.
Alam mo, hindi mo sinasagot ng tama yung tanong ko. Ang tinatanong ko, sino nag-utos sa iyo para kausapin ang lawyer ng NFC para ipagtanggol kayo sa korte at samahan ka dito sa Kongreso? Sino nag-utos sa iyo?
Kasi po, nung... yung...
Sagutin mo muna ang tanong ko, sino? Kasi kanina sinasabi mo wala kang alam, hindi mo alam na ikaw presidente, hindi mo alam na ikaw corporate secretary, hindi mo alam yung mga pinirmahan mo. You are telling all these lies na sinasabi mo wala kang alam. Now suddenly, eto ikaw, pumunta ka sa isang law firm. Ikaw nag-represent sa Lucky South 99. And telling them, oh, hinahire ko kayo bilang kayo magtatanggol sa amin. Well, meron ka palang ganitong klaseng authority. Ngayon ang tanong, sino ang nagsabi sa iyo na kausapin ang law firm na NFC?
yung totoo po niyan, Your Honor, may tumawag po
Sino nga?
isang attorney.
Sino? Anong pangalan?
Si Attorney Abby po tumawag.
Sino to ni Abel? Anong pangalan niya? Full name?
Abby lang po yung pagkakaalam kong name.
Kasama sa Lucky South 99.
And under po ng law nila, ng law firm. Tapos parang tumawag po siya para daw
Ang
po.
tatawag sa iyo ay yung sa law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa sarili nilang law firm. Pinaglaloloko mo kami dito.
Hindi po. Di ba po ako po yung corporate sec?
Okay.
Tapos tumawag po si Attorney Abby sa akin. Na
Sino
parang-
tumawag sa iyo? Sa attorney ng law firm.
Opo, attorney po ng law firm.
Para?
Tapos parang may inaano po siya na may pepermahan daw po ako na about nga daw po sa Lucky South.
Hindi, kanina Ronaldin Baterna, ang sabi mo, babalikan natin. Ang sabi mo kanina, okay, tinatanong kita, sino nag-coordinate sa lawyer? Sabi mo, hindi mo alam. Hindi ikaw. Sinanong namin ngayon yung lawyer mo. Ang sabi ng lawyer mo, nag-coordinate sa kanila para i-hire sila. Ikaw. Tinatanong kita kanina dahil wala kang alam sa lahat ng mga korporasyon na to. Umipirma ka lang tinatanong ko sa iyo. Kaya inamin mo na ngayon, ikaw nagko-coordinate. Sino nga ang nagsabi sa iyo? Yung abogado mismo ng law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa kanila? Is that what you're trying to tell us?
Yes po.
Ha?
Pero hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung nakikipag-coordinate sa kanila na para tawagan po ako.
Mr. Chair, mayroon akong tanong in relation. Baka makalimutan ko yung tanong ko eh.
Mr.
Mr. Chair.
So Congressman Abante, then Congressman Pacho.
Okay,
go ahead.
I would like to ask the lawyer, ilang taon na po kayong lawyer ng Lucky South 99 Corporation?
Your Honor, our services were just engaged by Lucky South after po the raid.
After the
The raid,
raid?
yes.
When was
Your
that?
Honor. This June or July po.
Kayo rin po ba ang abogado ng Lucky South 99 Outsourcing?
Not that I know of, Your Honor.
Okay.
Congresswoman Pancho, please.
Nag-agree po ako kay Congressman na Abante, no? Parang ginagawa tayong tanga rito ng mga resource persons natin. Now, sige, kagatin natin yung ginagawa mo kaming tanga. Kung talagang abogado niyo yan, magkano po binayad niyo dyan? Magkano po yung fee niyo? May kakayahan ba kayong bayaran yung kanyang PF? Kasi ang sweldo niyo lang po is 23,000 eh.
Your Honor, gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, may kumontak po sa akin which is si Attorney Abby nga po. So, hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung kausap niya. Ang sinabi niya lang, may need lang daw ko po akong permahan.
Kasi ang sabi niyo po kanina, kayo ang tumawag. So kung kayo po ang tumawag, kayo ang nag-seek ng service po niya. So pagka po kayo ang tumawag, ibig sabihin, may pambayad kayo doon sa kanyang PF. Diba? Kasi yun ang pinipilit nyo sa amin kanina eh. Naniniwala kami na hindi naman po totoo eh. So binago nyo, binaliktad nyo.
Yun po yung totoo, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, as a manifestation addressed to the committee, of course, and to the three that was cited in contempt, but it was withdrawn by Chairman Abante. Now, actually, it was withdrawn not because we believe in your story. Okay? So I hope in the next hearing, this is just a forewarn to you. I hope in the next hearing, you will tell the truth. Or else, we'll be forced to cite you in contempt. Ano lang yan? Warning lang yan sa inyo. Sabi ko na nga, hindi ko mo withdraw ni Chairman Abante, you're off the hook. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, correct. And wag niyo hayaang kami makaunang makakuha ng mga ebidensya. And if we found out that you have the connection with the owners of the Lucky South 99, then we will do what we have to do. So, thank you. Any motion?
Sorry,
Motion to
Mr. Chairman, isa pa pala, nakalimutan ko.
Is it motion
Tungkol sa
to
contempt.
adjourn or motion to suspend?
Wait, Congressman Nabante. You are recognized, Congressman Paduano.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, nakalimutan ko lang po. Ms. Baterna, I just want to advise you, you have all the rights, no? Since you are cited in contempt in this committee, you have all the rights. With your lawyer, of course, no? To write officially to this committee, to the chair, if you want to file a motion for reconsideration. You have all the rights.
Your Honor, baka pwede pong humingi ng consideration. Kasi lahat naman po ng sinabi ko is totoo po. Tapos nung mga una po, may medyo mali lang po. Pero sinabi ko rin naman po yung totoo.
Mr. Chairman, I'm just giving you an advice because the contempt order was already approved by this committee. Isasabi ko nga, kung gusto mo, first hour tomorrow, you file na your MR to this committee addressed to the chairman. But of course, it's up to the committee to decide if your motion for reconsideration will be considered by this committee. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, any motion for suspension? Motion.
Mr. Chairman.
Parang ayaw nyo pa. Gusto nyo pa ituloy
Mr.
na.
Chairman. Gusto ko na rin umalis eh, kaya may I respectfully move that we suspend the hearing.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. I'd like to find out if
Wait. You are not yet recognized. Congressman Abante, now you are recognized. Let's put order. Public order and safety tayo. Go
thank
ahead.
you. Is it
What is your
motion
point of order?
to suspend or motion to adjourn? Because is this there will be another hearing for this, or we are going
Yes.
to squad hearing already?
A while ago when we started our hearing, I manifested that we're about to terminate the hearing and move forward to the Quadcom that the plenary created by the members. But now that there was a motion a while ago for the continuing investigation on some issues not related to the Quadcom, then it was moved by Congressman Paduano that we don't terminate our hearing, but let's just suspend.
But Mr.
this hearing.
Chair, that would be an overlapping function. What I'm saying is, why don't we adjourn this hearing now, and then in the Quad Committee we have, let us again hear this
So we are just quarreling about adjournment and suspending.
yes, because if
I'll
it's
give way to you, my friend.
Okay.
So this committee hearing is now. Ay, hindi, it's a motion eh, because there's a motion eh. So,
let me amend the motion to adjourn.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, point of order. The movement of the motion has the right to amend
yes, correct.
this motion.
Okay.
So,
Anyway, the point of order of Congressman Abante was heard, and there is a pending motion by Congressman Acop on his motion to suspend, and the manifestation of Congress Abante is that we adjourn. So it is the correct. Congressman Barbers is correct in saying that the motion to withdraw is upon the movant who happens to be Congressman Acop. So, Congressman Acop, what is the pleasure?
Mr. Chairman.
What is your pleasure?
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano, sige, binigyan ka na ng rights.
Just a point of clarification. Because the motion of the Chairman Acop is to suspend. Now, if we adjourn, we have to establish a quorum again on the next hearing. But of course, if we want to terminate this, as I've said, marami pong resource persons na hindi nga dumating dito na with a parochial or local concern. Well, in fact, hindi pa nga ako tapos kay Chairman Roque, Secretary Roque, but you explain, Chairman, na sa next hearing na lang. Because we have goals to the rest. That's why, Mr. Chairman, again, I support the motion of Chairman Acop because we don't need to terminate this as of now. At the same time, we don't need to get the quorum again on the next hearing because of this motion to adjourn. We will just suspend unless we decide, and we can decide after this meeting, we will just suspend and we will decide. If indeed we will decide to terminate this investigation.
Mr. Chair, 1 minute.
Wait, you are not yet recognized.
One minute.
But, alam nyo, gusto ko kayong dalawang pagbigyan eh. Ha? Isang suspension, isang
1 minute suspension muna.
1 minute suspension.